I mean, having the honor to clerk at the Supreme Court is a remarkable experience on its own, but to do it with Justice Ginsburg was really a dream come true. She was already an idol of mine from her work as a women's rights advocate, and she left a lasting impression. I don't think I'm the only former clerk who sort of carries her voice in my head. When I'm writing, I will often have the experience of I'll write a sentence and I'll look at it and I'll think, no, the justice wouldn't let me get away with that one, right? And she was very demanding, but she demanded even more from herself. You would come into the office, you'd think you were getting a bead on the day, you'd come in early, 7:30, 8, and of course she'd been up all night working. You had messages from her from 5 a.m. With comments on drafts. That's something that I think it's hard to see outside of chambers, is just how hardworking she was. I think when you see the words and their power of her writing, part of that is because she took so much care and chose each word and thought about what it would mean to say it that way. Her multitude of opinions on gender equality, on equality generally, would be one obvious legacy. From VMI, where she spoke about full citizenship stature and about the need for women to be able to have the same aspirations and opportunities as men, to just recently her dissent in Little Sisters for the Poor, where she really went after the majority for ignoring how the effect of exempting religious employers from the contraceptive mandate would mean that large numbers of women would lose access to contraception, and what that would mean for them.